What's up, guys? I had done a call yesterday for, well, not really a call. It's a landlord-tenant situation, but the property manager wanted all of the filters changed yesterday. So I got here yesterday, about 8 o'clock, and I was here till probably almost 4 yesterday changing filters. And just generally checking out systems, making sure they fired up. They don't want to do anything too crazy as far as testing everything in every piece of equipment. They've got a lot, and I guess they don't want to pay for it. They don't want to pay when it breaks. So I got a call this morning that one of the packaged rooftop units was not working. So basically I'm back here to see what's going on and see if it's something that's my fault. I think I may know what it is, and you guys can think about it while I get up on the roof, and I will see you guys back in a second. So this was the unit that I was working on yesterday. Was an old Lennox. New Lennox went on. I don't know, it's got to be about 10 years ago by now. And yep, my fault. So we're good to go. Oops, I forgot to grab the belt too. This is the reason why I took the unit off yesterday. And I turned it back on, and everything worked. Belt tension was good. But I did notice that one of the time delay relays had fallen off. So I put another screw back in that, and everything was good. So that's why I turned it off. Just a brief history about this space. There never used to be any units up here. We had put these 3 package units in to do the upstairs suites, and we had done these 2 Lennox condensers, which actually feed furnaces down in the utility room. I'll give you a quick shot of the utility room and just let you see what we kind of did in there. The unit that went in was probably done initially when the building was built in it was either 49 or 50. But the unit was ginormous. The new one's quite a bit more compact, and now we have a nice utility room. So I will, it's a beautiful day. I don't want to be in here. So anyway, I'll go down and I'll show you, what that all looks like. And then maybe I'll grab some lunch and check out this view. I like this view. So that's that. So I will catch up with you guys in a minute. So I don't know how the lighting is in here, but there used to be a giant boiler in here with a big natural gas conversion burner, big power flame burner, in shot that took care of everything in the north end of the building. There's a bunch of hydro air coils, air handlers in the back of this space. This whole space, all up in here, was the air handler. There used to be a hot water coil, an an evaporator coil, everything. There was a bunch of modulating dampers with potential thermostats that would open and close and do all that stuff. So basically we changed out everything, and that's the only little boiler now that takes care of the back of the space that these two furnaces do the front. Coils go up to those two condenser units that are up on the roof. It is one common return for the two furnaces. So to alleviate, if one is running and the other is not, there's actually backdraft dampers up in here just above the coils, so it will not suck air in through the other, through the supplies of the other. So if for whatever reason this blowout did turn on, the blower wheel's not running backwards and we're burning them out. So that, for the most part, is this building. And the no cool call today was my fault, which it happens. We're only human, right? All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.